Alright, so welcome back. Today I received my new attachment for the tractor, pallet forks and the rubber scrape. And I'm really excited to finally have received it. I have not tested it out yet, but so far it seems pretty good, I think. These products are made in Norway from a company called Lilleset. It's heavy duty, good quality, and I hope it will serve as expected. The pallet forks are $1.20 from the bend here until the edge here. You can use them both on your 3-point hitch, or you can use them on your front loader as well. But the only disappointing thing is that it's not the same brackets. This is the SMS type, and my front loader has the Euro bracket on. I need the receiver frame between the pallet forks and my front loader. This is the rubber scrape, a Norwegian product from Lilleset, same as the pallet forks. Heavy duty. This is the smallest rubber scrape they have. The weight of it is approx 500 kilos. Should be just fine for my tractor, the 50 horsepower. The measures are 1 meter and 40 and approx 1 meter. These wires here are the transport wires. You just simply drive your pallet fork through here and lift it up. Release it from your pallet forks and you hook it up to the tractor with these chains here. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. I hope it will be as expected. We'll see. Okay, that's it for now. I just wanted to let you guys know. If you enjoy these videos, please come back to my place here in Vesterålen and check out my next videos. And for now, have a nice day everybody and see you.